Assalamu alaikum guys, myself Mushfiqur Rahman. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my second experiment video on this YouTube channel. Today we are going to mix water into hot oil. Guys, this is a very dangerous experiment. Please don't try this at home. So without wasting any more time, let's do this our experiment. Guys, if you guys enjoy this video, please subscribe, like and share. That will be
nice.
This video is truly for entertainment purposes. Please don't try this at home.
Alright guys, now you can see the oil is boiling right now. This is a very dangerous experiment. Please don't try this at home. So let's do this experiment. Oh my god, this is happen when we put water into hot oil. That will be happen. Please guys, don't try this at home. Look at this. Now the water and oil also boiling. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys enjoy this video, please subscribe, like and share. That will be nice. So this is God of Experiment. My name is Mushfiqur Rahman and I will catch you in the next video. So tata, bye bye.